Have you ever wondered what would happen if one of the most powerful forces in our universe decided to pay Earth a surprise visit? Picture this, a swirling vortex of darkness, roaring through space, heading straight toward our cosmic neighborhood. Today, we're diving into a fascinating scenario that could absolutely change life as we know it. The first signs would be surprisingly subtle. Our astronomers, scanning the night sky, would notice something peculiar. Stars beginning to shift position ever so slightly, like a cosmic dance. These distant points of light would appear to move in ways they shouldn't. This gravitational lensing, as scientists call it, would be our first warning that something massive is approaching. As this cosmic giant draws closer, its gravitational pull would start to grab at our planet. The first changes would be remarkably gentle, almost unnoticeable to most people. Our moon's orbit would begin to shift, causing subtle changes in our tides. Ocean waters would become increasingly choppy, and coastal regions would experience unusual tidal patterns. But here's where things get absolutely fascinating. As the black hole moves closer, its immense gravitational force would begin to tug at Earth's crust. You'd feel it first through small earthquakes, nothing devastating yet, but enough to make everyone realize that something big is happening. The night sky would transform into something you've never seen before, with light bending around the approaching darkness in a mesmerizing display. As governments worldwide grapple with this unprecedented threat, scientists would be working frantically to calculate our fate. The fascinating part, we'd have options, but they'd depend entirely on the black hole's mass and trajectory. A smaller black hole passing at a safe distance might give us an incredible cosmic show without destroying our planet. But if it's bigger or comes too close, well, that's where things get compelling. The effects would become undeniably more dramatic. Our planet's rotation might slow down or speed up depending on the black hole's approach angle. Day and night cycles would shift unpredictably. You'd notice the air feeling different, heavier somehow, as the black hole's gravity affects our atmosphere. The sky would take on a hazy, almost gloomy appearance, with light bending in ways that would make photographers grab their cameras in amazement. The oceans would become increasingly restless, creating powerful new currents that could significantly alter weather patterns worldwide. Imagine standing on a beach watching waves crash with unprecedented force, while in the sky, clouds swirl in mesmerizing new patterns. Our magnetic field, Earth's invisible shield, would start to waver and dance, creating spectacular aurora displays visible even from the equator. Here's something that would certainly affect your daily life. As the black hole's intense gravitational field interferes with our satellite systems, global communications would become increasingly unreliable. GPS systems would start showing bizarre readings, and your phone might struggle to maintain a signal. The internet, our global nervous system, would face unprecedented challenges as our technological infrastructure struggles to adapt to these new conditions. Now we reach the absolutely crucial moment, the black hole's closest approach. The sky would become a captivating canvas of distorted starlight, swirling around a dark center like water circling a drain. You'd witness something no human has ever seen before. Stars appearing to move and stretch across the sky in real time. The gravitational forces would create a fascinating phenomenon where time itself would flow differently depending on your location on Earth. If we're remarkably lucky and the black hole passes at just the right distance, Earth might survive the encounter. But we'd emerge into a fundamentally different world. The planet's orbit could be altered, giving us a new year length. Our axis might tilt differently, completely changing our seasons. Some of our atmosphere might be stripped away, creating spectacular glowing streams of gas trailing behind us in space. The aftermath would be undeniably transformative. Even after the black hole moves on, its passage would leave an indelible mark on our planet. Volcanic activity might increase as our planet's core settles back down. New mountain ranges could form over time. Our climate would need to find a new balance, and humanity would face the compelling challenge of adapting to this altered Earth. While this scenario might sound like science fiction, it helps us understand just how powerful these cosmic forces are. The fascinating truth is that space holds countless mysteries, and events like these remind us of our place in this vast universe. As we look up at the night sky tonight, we can be thankful that for now, at least, no black holes are headed our way. But isn't it thought-provoking to imagine what if? Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating space scenarios like this one.